How's it going, everybody? This is Colton Stewart here with Teach to Inspire, and today we're going to talk about photography because I haven't really talked about that a lot. I usually take pictures with my cell phone, but today we're going to talk about this guy right here. It's a DSLR, it's the canonrebelxs. Got it given to me by a family member, and so we're just going to kind of take some pictures and see how this stuff goes with manual settings because I'm not really good at it. So we're going to kind of see how it goes, and I've got my dog here, Ruth, with us as well, and she's running around like crazy. It's kind of hard to take pictures, vlog, and walk your dog at the same time, but we're going to try to accomplish that feat today. So let's go take some pictures. See ya. Okay, well, I've taken a few pictures. I'll pop them up now. Well, I'm having a good time. It's beautiful weather out here. My goodness, have you guys seen this weather? It's ridiculous. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Wow, it's freaking amazing. Well, you know, my channel is all about inspiring you to go do something you've never done before. I've got to say, I've never done this before. I've never come out here with a DSLR and taken pictures. So it's something new for me. So I hope you guys get out there and do something you are passionate about today, because I'm just having fun, man. I'm just talking to you guys and we're just hanging out. My dog is being a little crazy, aren't you, Ruth? Right now she's calm. Right now she's calm, but she's been running around like crazy. Every time I try to snap a picture and I have it just in focus, what does she do? She runs. I have this leash that goes like 16 feet, but she stretches it out all the way because she wants to run, and then I lose my shot because it comes out of focus. It's kind of bright out here, so the lighting is kind of hard to, you know, get some good shots because it's just so potent, and the sun is like almost directly vertical in the sky right now because it's like 11 o'clock or something. So I mean, it's high up there, and I'm having to go in these shady areas to kind of get some good lighting for pictures. But like I said, this is my first day ever shooting outside with a DSLR, and I'm just going to show you the results that I got. I'm not good at this at all. This is my first day, so I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride and kind of show you my process. And hopefully some of the pictures turned out okay. I've got to go look through them, but I haven't thrown on my 18 to 55 yet. I'm gonna throw that lens on, and then I'll throw some of those pictures in the video as well, and just kind of show you what that is. The lens I had on with all the pictures you've seen so far is the 75 to 300, and it's a zoom lens. I mean, so it gives that nice shallow depth of field, and makes the pictures look really blurry background, you know. Let's go see what this 18 to 55 can do. I forgot to tell you guys bye. So I'm sitting here editing the video for today to post later on. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was just kind of walking around the park, kind of taking some pictures. Hope you enjoyed the pictures that I took. I hope to see you guys soon. If you liked the video, give it a like, a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I just want to give you some inspiration today and maybe go do something you've never done before. So thanks for joining me on this journey that I went on today. I've never done this before. It's a new thing for me. Don't forget to find your inspiration today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.